Welcome to the Grain Discovery Bootcamp, where you will learn how to use your custom-built marketplace to simplify the way you buy and sell your grain. Today, we're talking about viewing and signing contracts. If you're on our web browser, you can view your contracts by clicking Contracts in the menu on the left side of your screen. This will bring you to your list of open and settled contracts. From here, you can view a PDF version by clicking the blue down arrow on the right-hand side. To find specific contracts, you can search for individual contracts or filter based on crop year, contract status, and signature status. Now, if you're using the Grain Discovery app, all you have to do is click Contracts at the bottom bar. This will bring you to your list of contracts, sorted by commodity. You can filter based on crop year, contract status, and signature status. To view individual contracts, click on a specific commodity from the list, which will bring up all the contracts for that commodity based on all applied filters. To sign a contract, click Tap to Sign at the bottom of the contract details, and swipe your finger to sign. You can view the PDF version by clicking on the download button. And that's it, everything you need to do when viewing and signing your contracts. Learn more about all of the latest features on graindiscovery.com and follow a few more Grain Discovery Bootcamps.